Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Are you having headlight issues? Maybe it is the ballast that's causing the problem. The purpose of the ballast is to provide controlled voltage going to the headlights, basically HID. If the power that's going to the headlights are not controlled, too much power can be sent to the headlights, causing it to burn out quicker. How do you know your ballast is failing? The symptoms are pretty obvious. The first thing you're going to notice is going to be the headlights going to start to dim, and you're going to notice that's also going to start to flicker. You may also hear a faint buzzing noise coming from the headlight area, which is going to be caused by the ballast. Also, when the headlight starts to dim, basically you're going to notice a change in color. For example, let's just say the headlights, or let's just say the HID was putting out very bright bluish color. Now you're going to notice extremely dull bluish color. Basically, that's going to be the intensity. It starts to decrease. That's how you know the ballast is giving out. The next problem is going to be intermittent. By intermittent, I mean the headlight works, then it doesn't work, and then it works, and it doesn't work. For example, let's just say you are driving for about an hour, and it's working fine, and suddenly your headlights turn off. Let's just say you decide to pull over because you can't see anymore. And then you let the vehicle cool for about 10 minutes and you start your vehicle back up and the headlights turn on. That's going to be a ballast issue. The reason this is happening, that your headlights turn on and off and on and off, is because your ballast is not working like it used to be. So when that happens, the ballast automatically goes into a safe mode to protect itself. And that's how you know that the ballast cannot really keep up anymore. There are a few reasons why ballast fail. Number one is going to be natural wear and tear. Number two is going to be heat. And number three is going to be moisture caused by condensation, or you live in an area that has a lot of humidity. The next thing you want to do is a visual inspection. Locate the ballast and make sure it is intact. Make sure it is not moving around. If it's moving around too much, that's going to cause vibration, and vibration can easily cause the ballast to prematurely fail. The next thing you want to do is inspect the light bulb itself. If the light bulb is burnt out, replace it. If it doesn't look burnt out, swap it with a good one. So let's just say if you have an issue on the passenger side, swap it with the driver's side. And if that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing you want to do is pull out the headlights and inspect the connection. If there's too much condensation inside the headlights assembly on the inside, that's going to contribute to some sort of corrosion and cause rust buildup and cause wire issue as well. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.